地球暖化，海水温度也升悬。后面的气候变迁小组表示，今年2月海水表面的平均温度是21.06度，是1979年以来上悬的温度。南半球恐惊出现严重的酸污白化。
戈拜尼气候变迁小组简称 C3S 是欧盟戈拜尼计划所属的6个工作小组之一。欧盟为2003年开始推出戈拜尼计划，主要是透过扫冰系列卫星的遥测技术，详细观测和记录地球的土地利用、海洋变化甲温度这些资料。C3S 的研究发现，因为2024年2月是连续第9个月全球的月均温创纪录，连带影响海洋的水温持续升悬。
Every month since June 2023 has set a new monthly temperature record, and 2023 was by far the hottest year on record. El Niño has contributed to these temperatures, but heat-trapping greenhouse gases are unequivocally the main culprit.
There are direct impact on the marine ecosystem, on fisheries, on all that is related to life in the oceans. But then there are also impact on the climate, the impact on the atmosphere, impact on all the processes that have a connection more or less direct with the ocean.
气象专家指出，海水温度持续升悬，一定会影响海洋生态。路透社报道指出，南半球会出现有史以来第4届，也是上严重大规模漩涡白化。除了海洋生物的生存面临危机，咱人嘛无法度无代志。
If we're seeing average temperatures being higher, then we expect to see the temperatures people are experiencing locally being potentially higher and record-breaking as well, and that raises significant concerns about human health.
欧盟戈拜尼气候变迁小组调查范围是为北纬60度至南纬60度中央的海洋，所以并无包含北极甲南极4周围的海域。公司新闻，徐家仁编译。